Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I have another unboxing. Today's unboxing is from horrorfxdesigns. Now, if you don't know what horrorfxdesigns are, they make replicas of axes and costumes and stuff like that. Stuff like that. This is the part 4/5 double bit axe, and I'm using it for my Camp Nightwing Killer cosplay. And buddy, this is my first axe from horrorfxdesigns, and I doubt I won't be disappointed. Okay. Okay. Here it is. It's a pretty cool axe. It's bigger than I thought it was. This is by horrorfxdesigns. It's got some rust on the head, and it will go perfectly next to my part 4 poster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.